Do you feel like you're repeating the same life lessons? The same setbacks? What if your patterns aren't random? They're your soul's curriculum. In Vedic astrology, an individual's destiny and path to success is determined by their birth star. The Janam Nakshatra represents the essence of one's soul. The Karma Nakshatra, positioned 10th from the Janam Nakshatra, signifies the field of action, wherein an individual's life work and karmic lessons become manifest. This axis serves as a blueprint for one's achievements. Your Karma Nakshatra frequency analysis decodes this critical axis. Discover the strength and vibrational score of both your core being and your destined path. See clearly if the energy for your life's work is weak, blocked, or fully empowered. The report reveals why you feel stuck. It links a weak Karma Nakshatra to the karmic emotions that hold you back: imposter syndrome, procrastination, or a deep fear of stepping into your power. It even connects these blocks to physical stress points in the body. This is your key to unlock destiny. You'll receive precise, potent recommendations, specific mantras for your Karma Nakshatra, sound frequencies to strengthen your Dharma field, and guided meditations to release old karmic patterns and align with your soul's mission. This is your map from repetitive cycles to destined success. Your karma is not a punishment. It's a pathway. Stop repeating the patterns. Start resolving the karma. Understand your unique curriculum and walk your true path. Share your birth details with us by clicking the link below and start your new journey of transformation with Voice Astrology.